it till you make it. I'm tired of hearing people say, it's not my house. Well, I'm going to wait till I buy a house so I can decorate. No. Cut the bull crap. Make that house a home. Okay? So that's why I'm coming up with this Fake It Till You Make It series. Because, baby girl, before you get that house, you're going to have to fake it till you make it. Okay? Baby boy, before your wife get that house or your significant other get that house, or before you get that house, you got to fake it till you make it. Hey guys, it's your girl V. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is part of our Fake It Till You Make It series. If it's your first time here, go ahead and subscribe because I think you don't want to miss this. You don't want to miss this. Seriously, you don't want to miss this. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. And if you are a repeat offender, you've already subscribed. Hey! I missed you. I missed you. So I'm starting this Fake It Till You Make It series, and it's pretty much ideas and decorating tips that you can do yourself to update your rental property. Because a lot of people tell me, and I hear this a lot, I'm gonna hire you when I get a house, or I'm gonna decorate my house. I'm gonna go all out. When I get a house. And then, you know, a house isn't something that's like something you get like next week. You know, you have to work hard to get it. So why not fake it till you make it? I mean, why not make your rental property your home while you're waiting for your actual dream home? You get what I'm saying? And I come across a lot of people who are like, it's just an apartment. No! Make it your home. The Fake It Till You Make It series is just showing you how to fake it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Name That Price, where we show you how to shop on a budget and you name that price for our mini home decor home. Please welcome our host, V.
Now, in order to play this game, you must know how to budget. So rule number 1 is budget. Budgeting keeps you in check and it makes sure you don't overspend. Now, check out these 3 frames. Now, I want you to guess, how much did I pay for these frames? Which leads me to my next tip, thrifting. Thrifting isn't so bad because you can see something and customize it and make it yours, which I will show you in a later video. Can you name that price?
$6.
3 frames, $5.73 at the Goodwill. Tip number 2, go straight to clearance. They love to put clearance in the back of the store, but that's where you find all the good stuff. So can you name that price?
$7.
I paid $6. My next tip, you have to find the sales. You have to find the sales. Keep your eye on what you're looking for and keep checking in on it, because sometimes it may go on sale. So, with that being said, this His and Hers canvas, can you
Name that price?
$10? These canvases are actually $15.99 each. $15.99. But do you know how much I paid for it? I paid 2 for $15.99. $10.99. Yes! I'm so excited. So that's why it's always important to go to the clearance section so that you can find all the good stuff. Me into my next tip. You have to plan what direction you want to go. Do you want to have inspirational stuff on your wall? Pictures? What do you want? Come up with an inspiration and look for it. You want to know how much I paid for this? Name that price.
About $29.
I paid half price. Half price. The next tip, walkout method. Here's the thing. Sometimes we see things that are so pretty and they shine in our face, but you have to have self-control. One way to have self-control is to actually walk out the store. And if you're thinking about it when you come back, then it was meant to be. If you're thinking about it when you leave, it was meant to be. But if you don't think about it, it wasn't for you. So can you name that price? $3. $4.50 at TJ Maxx, baby. And again, in the clearance section. So always remember, when you go thrifting, it's not that bad to go thrifting. Sometimes you might find something you don't like, but guess what? That cost me, can you name that price? 99 cents. Bought this at Goodwill for 99 cents. Guys, this is not an easy process. You have to have patience. You'll be going to multiple stores. You'll be having different sales. You got to keep up. Keep your receipts, of course. Do you want to know how much I paid for this? $44. $79.99. And of course, 50% off. I also bought this window curtain. And it was full length, not the 84-inch that you find at Walmart, but this was actually 96 inches in height. I paid $17.99 for it at Tuesday morning. I also bought a double rod at home for $7.99. $7.99. So, moral of the story is, when you go to clearance, you'll find some good finds. Don't give up. You have to have patience. And this is my favorite out of everything that I bought. Can you
Name that price.
$44? No. I'll show you exactly how much I paid for it. Ashy hands and all. I got my receipts. I paid $10.48 for each of these table lamps. So, now do you believe me? Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Right in the closet. This is top secret. When you go shopping, scan everything. Because sometimes they don't have the red sticker on them, or the red sticker might show a certain